In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import custom templates to Shogun Shopify. Whether you're looking to spruce up your site or just want a fresh look to kickstart a new season, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. So, let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Shopify. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Make sure you have your login details ready, like your email and password. It's crucial because we're going to access some important features within your Shopify admin dashboard. After logging in, you'll find yourself in the Shopify admin area. Here, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You're going to see a menu with various options. What we're interested in right now is the Online Store section. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've done that, a few more options will drop down. One of these will be Themes. Click on Themes to proceed. Now, you're on the Themes page. Here, you'll notice a section titled Theme Library. This is where all the magic happens. Within this section, you're going to see a button labeled Import Theme. Give it a click. When you do, a small window or dialog box will pop up with different options. This is your gateway to importing your custom template. The next step is to upload your templates file. Typically, when you download a theme or a template, it comes as a zip file, all compressed and ready to be uploaded. This is exactly what we need here. In the pop-up window, there will be an option that says Choose File. Click on it, and an Explorer window on your computer will open up. Now you'll need to locate that zip file containing your template. It might be in your Downloads folder or wherever you usually save these files. Once you've found your file, go ahead and select it, then click Open. Now that you've chosen your file, the final step is to upload it. You should see a button that says Upload. When you click on it, Shopify will start working. It might take a few moments, depending on the size of your file and your internet connection speed. And there you have it. Once the upload is complete, your new custom template will be ready to use. You can now start editing and customizing it to your heart's content. I hope this guide has been helpful and has made the process of importing custom templates into Shogun Shopify a breeze for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tune in for more helpful tips and guides. Happy customizing!